Hello, my dearest student. Today we will make a revision on the first part of algebra. Lesson 1, repeated multiplication. Calculate and express in the simplest form. 3 over 5 power 2. In this exercise, we will distribute the power among the numerator and the denominator. So the result will be 3 power 2 over 5 power 2. After that, we will calculate the value of each numerator and the denominator. 3 power 2 equal 9 and 5 power 2 equal 25. Another exercise. 0.4 power 3. In this exercise, we can see that the base is a decimal number, so we can convert a decimal number to be a fraction. 0.4 will be 4 over 10 power 3. So we will distribute power 3 among the numerator and the denominator. It will be 4 power 3 over 10 power 3. After that, 4 power 3 equals 64 and 10 power 3 equals 1000. And we can simplify it because he asked me to put it in its simplest form. So it will be 8 over 125. In this exercise, there is a mixed number, 2.5 power 3. So we will change the form of mixed to be improper fraction. 2 by 2 equal 4, 4 plus 1 equal 5, 5 over 2 power 3. After that, we will distribute the power among the numerator and the denominator. It will be 5 power 3 over 2 power 3. 5 power 3 is 125 over 2 power 3 is 8. In this exercise, negative 2 over 5 power 4. If we saw a power is an even number, we will cancel the negative sign, so it will be 2 over 5 power 4. After that, we will distribute power 4 among the numerator and the denominator. It will be 2 power 4 over 5 power 4. It will be 16 over 625. Negative 2 over 5 power 3. In this exercise, we can see that the base is negative number and the power is an odd number. So we will bring the negative sign out of the bracket. It will be negative 2 over 5 power 3. After that, we will distribute power 3 among the numerator and the denominator. It will be negative 2 power 3 over 5 power 3. It will be, after that, negative 8 over 125. 2 over 5 power 2 times 25 over 4. In this exercise, we will distribute power 2 among the numerator and the denominator. It will be 2 power 2 over 5 power 2. 2 power 2 is 4 and 5 power 2 is 25. by 25 over 4, the same. So we will simplify it. Divided by 25 equal 1, divided by 25 equal 1, and 4 divided by 4 equal 1, 4 divided by 4 equal 1. So the result will be in this exercise 3.5 power 2 divided by 10.5. This fraction in the form of mixed number. So we will convert this mixed number to be improper fraction, and the same with this mixed number. How can I convert it? 3 by 2 equals 6. 6 plus 1 equals 7. 7 over 2 power 2 divided by 10 by 2 equals 20. 20 plus 1 equals 21 over 2. After that, I will distribute power 2 among the numerator and the denominator of this fraction. It will be 7 power 2 over 2 power 2. And I will convert the operation. Instead of divide, it will be times. If I convert the operation, I will convert or I will bring the multiplicative inverse of the fraction after the sign. It will be, instead of 21 over 2, it will be 2 over 21. After that, 7 power 2 is 49, and 2 over 2 is 4 times 2 over 21. After that, we will simplify and we will get 7 over 6. Lesson 2. Non-negative integer powers. Calculate and express in the simplest form. 1 over 3 power 2 times 1 over 3 power 3. In this exercise, we can notice that the bases are the same, and the rule is when multiplying the same bases, we add their powers. So we will bring the same base and add the powers. 2 plus 3 equal 5. After that, we will distribute the power among the numerator and the denominator as the previous lesson. So it will be 1 power 5 equal 1 and 3 power 5 equal 243. 1 over 4 power 6 divided by 1 over 4 power 2. In this exercise, we can notice that the bases are the same and there is a division operation. The rule is when dividing the same bases, we subtract powers. We subtract powers. It will be 1 over 4 and we will make 6 minus 2. It will be 4. After that, 1 power 4 divided by 4 power 4, it will be 1 over 256. In this exercise, 1 over 4 power 2 power 3, we can find the result by multiplying the powers. We can find the result by multiplying the powers. It will be 1 over 4 and 2 by 3 equal 6. So it will be 1 power 6 divided by 4 power 6. After that, 1 power 6 is 1, and 4 power 6 is 4096. 4 power 6 by 4 over 4 power 5. In this exercise, we can notice that all bases are the same. So we will put 4 at the base of the numerator and add powers 6 power 1 because any whole number, its power is 1. So it will be 6 plus 1 over 4 power 5. After that, 4 power 6 plus 1 is 7 over 4 power 5. This is a division operation. We will subtract powers. It will be 4 power 7 minus 5 equal 4 power 2 equal 60. Choose the correct answer. 3 power 10 plus 3 power 10 plus 3 power 10 equal 3 power 10, 3 power 11, 3 power 20, 3 power 30. Steps for solving this question. Take number 3 power 10 as a common factor. After that, 3 power 10, to take a common factor, we will divide 3 power 10 divided 3 power 10 equal 1. 3 power 10 divided 3 power 10 equal 1. 3 power 10 divided by 3 power 10 equal 1. After that, 3 power 10 by 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3. We can notice that the bases are the same, so we will add the powers. It will be 3 power 11. Choose the correct answer. Half of 2 power 20 equal 2 power 15, 2 power 21, 2 power 19, or 40. Steps for solving this question. 2 power 20, he wants half of this number, so we will divide this number by 2. After that, we can notice that the bases are the same, and this is division operation. We will bring the same base and subtract its power. It will be 20 minus 1 equal to power 90. Lesson 3, Negative Integer Powers. Important remarks. A power negative n equal 1 over a power n when a not equal 0, and a power n equal 1 over a power negative n. For example, 3 power negative 2 equal 1 over 3 power 2. And instead of negative 2, it will be 2. When bring it in the denominator, equal 1 over 9. A power n by a power negative n equal 1 because each of them is the multiplicative inverse of the other. When multiplying any number by its multiplicative inverse, the result will be 1. A over b power negative n equal b over a power n. b over a power n. The multiplicative inverse of 2 over 3 power 4 is 2 over 3 power negative 4. This is the multiplicative inverse. Find the value in the simplest form. 3 power 5 by 3 power negative 2 over 3 power negative 4 by 3 power 3. In this exercise, we can notice that the bases are the same in the numerator and the denominator, and we have powers with negative sign by 3 power negative 2 and the 3 power negative 4. If I want to make the negative power to be positive, I will move it instead of numerator. I will move it with a positive power in the denominator. And when I want to make 3 power negative 4 to be 3 power 4, I will move it from denominator to be in the numerator, like 3 power 5 by, instead of the denominator, I will bring it in the numerator with the different sign of the power. After that, move 3 power negative 2 instead of numerator, I will move it to be positive in the denominator. It will be 3 power 2 by 3 power 3. After that, the bases are the same in the numerator and the denominator. So to get the result, we will add powers. It will be 3 power 5 plus 4 and the 3 power 2 plus 3. It will be 3 power 9 over 3 power 5. This is a division operation. When I want to get the result, I will subtract the powers. It will be 3 power 9 minus 5 equal 3 power 4 equal 81. Find the value in the simplest form. 6 power 3 by 6 over 6 power 5 power negative 3. In this exercise, we can notice that the outside power is negative 3 with negative sign. When I want to make it positive, I will change this fraction. Instead of numerator, it will be denominator, and instead of denominator, it will be in the numerator. So I will get its reciprocal. It will be 6 power 5 over 6 power 3 by 6 power 3. After that, 6 power 5, and I will add powers because this is a multiplication operation. It will be 6 power 3 plus 1 equal 4. Yes, and power 3 the same. After that, this is a division operation with the same base. Will be 6 power 5 minus 4 power 3. After that, 6 power 5 minus 4 equal 1. It will be 6 power 1 power 3. After that, 6 1 by 3 equal 3. So equal 260. Find the value in the simplest form. Negative 2 power 6 by 2 power negative 4 over 2 power 2. In this exercise, we can notice that this base is negative, but all bases is positive. So I want to make it positive like these bases. How? I will see the power. Power here is even or odd? Yes, even number. So when the power is even, I will cancel. I will remove the negative sign. It will be 2 power 6 by 2 power negative 4 over 2 power 2. In this fraction, we notice another, this is, yes, negative power. So I will move it to be positive. I will move it instead of numerator, it will be in the denominator, but with a positive power. It will be 2 power 6 over 2 power 2 times 2 power 4. It will be 2 power 6 and the bases are the same. It will be 2 and 2 plus 4 is 6. It will be 2 over 6 divided by 2 over 6. It will be sec 2, the same base, and subtract powers. 6 minus 6 equals 0, and any number except 0, any number except 0 with power 0 equal